mi gente, how's it going? My name is Hiro Aguilar, and in this video, we'll be combining the 3 salsa basic variations that we learned from our previous videos into one cool, fun little footwork. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, before we begin, let me show you a quick demo of how adding the 3 basic variations will look like with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, y. Alright, we hit straight into it, okay? So let's do this in a leader perspective, nice and slow. We're gonna start off immediately into Somos Uno Quebrado. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then from here, lateral quebrado, right into it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, right foot now. 1, 2, 3, guapea, quebrado, y 1, 2, 3, Somos Uno Quebrado, and 1, 2, 3, 5, lateral quebrado, 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, guapea, quebrado, y 1, y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, so we're doing the quebrado variations. Make sure, important thing is to keep switching the weight. So I'm going forward and then bringing it back to my center, then forward and then bringing it back to my center, right? To my left, bringing it center, then to my left, bringing it center, to my right, bringing it center, my right, and center, then back, then center, then back, and center. You don't want to do this. Alright, no hokey pokey here. So add some flavor by relaxing those knees and really going with the motion of that, right? It's not just only the feet. No, the whole body goes with that, all right? So please make sure you involve your body with doing that, those quebrado variations, all right? Let's try that in half time with music and then full speed, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, Somos Uno Quebrado, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, lateral quebrado, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, guapea, quebrado, 1, 2, 3, Somos Uno Quebrado, double time, 1, 2, 3, lateral quebrado, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, guapea, quebrado, y 1, Somos Uno Quebrado, 1, lateral quebrado, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, guapea, quebrado, 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice little playlist right here for you so you can check out all the cool moves that we learned and then add this nice little combination into your back pocket. Until then, my name is Seabird. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.